Hello guys, so on to today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Microsoft installation on your device error. Now this error occurs in cases whereby you suddenly switched off your computer and now when you turn it on, it does not work. It does not fully install on your computer. Now this method works for all versions of Microsoft. So what you need to do is to go to your Windows taskbar and type in Control Panel. Go in and type it. Now you need to go to Programs, and now for the next step is Programs and Features. Now here you need to search for Microsoft Office. As you can see, my Office is already installed, but this works for this is the method that needs to work for Microsoft which has not installed. It will still bring the same result. So you need to uninstall this, and that is simply how you solve it. And now for the next step is you need to restart your computer. This is in order to make it more seamless on your laptop. And now for the next step is you need to download Microsoft Office afresh, which I have provided the link below on how you can download Microsoft Office on your laptop afresh. And that is simply how you go about that problem. Follow for more content.